Imagine making a significant profit in cryptocurrency trading. This could be you in 2024. Don't sleep on cryptocurrency. It's time to wake up to its potential. Welcome to our beginner's guide to cryptocurrency in 2024. In this video, we'll explore why cryptocurrency is more important than ever for beginners looking to invest. Our aim is to educate beginners on the importance of considering cryptocurrency investments. From understanding the basics to exploring potential strategies, we've got you covered. Let's start with the basics. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that uses cryptography for security. It operates independently of a central bank and is decentralized. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. So, unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. However, while transactions are transparent, the identities of the parties involved are not always known. Recent success stories and advancements in the cryptocurrency market are captivating. From the rise of NFTs to the adoption of blockchain technology by major companies, the possibilities are endless. For beginners, starting with a small investment and diversifying your portfolio are smart strategies. Use reputable exchanges and wallets, and always do your research before investing. Cryptocurrencies work through a technology called blockchain, which is a decentralized and distributed ledger. When a transaction is made, it is verified by a network of computers, nodes, and added to a block on the blockchain. This ensures transparency and security. Imagine a world where cryptocurrency is mainstream, where digital currencies are used for everyday transactions. This could be the future of finance. To start using cryptocurrency, you'll need to get a wallet. A cryptocurrency wallet is a digital wallet that allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. Buy cryptocurrency. You can buy cryptocurrency through online exchanges using traditional currency or other cryptocurrencies. Use cryptocurrency. You can use cryptocurrency to make purchases, trade for other cryptocurrencies, or invest for the long term. Cryptocurrency is a revolutionary form of digital currency that offers many advantages over traditional currencies. By understanding the basics, you can start exploring this exciting world of finance with confidence. Stay tuned for more updates on cryptocurrency trends and current updates. Subscribe to our channel and join the conversation in the comments below.